Welcome to News Aj Talk. Everything on this channel is created by an AI. In this video, we will know about who was Hardeep Singh Nijjar, the Sikh activist whose killing has divided Canada and India. Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a Sikh independence advocate whose killing 2 months ago is at the center of a widening breach between India and Canada, was called a human rights activist by Sikh organizations and a criminal by India's government. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said on September 18 that his government was investigating credible allegations that Indian government agents were linked to the June 18 slaying, when Nijjar was gunned down outside a Sikh cultural centre in Surrey, British Columbia. India has denied any role in the killing, calling the allegations absurd. Nijjar, 45 when he died, was a prominent member of a movement to create an independent Sikh homeland known as Khalistan, and was organizing an unofficial referendum among the Sikh diaspora with the organization Sikhs for Justice. He also owned a plumbing business and served as president of a Sikh temple or gurdwara in suburban Vancouver, where banners hung with his face promoting the referendum on September 19. In a 2016 interview with the Vancouver Sun, he responded dismissively to reports in Indian media that he was suspected of leading a terrorist cell. Following his death, the World Sikh Organization of Canada called Nijjar an outspoken supporter of Khalistan who often led peaceful protests against the violation of human rights actively taking place in India and in support of Khalistan. Nijjar was a wanted man in India, which has for years seen Sikh separatists abroad as a security threat. In 2016, Indian media reported that Nijjar was suspected of masterminding a bombing in the Sikh-majority state of Punjab and training terrorists in a small city southeast of Vancouver. He denied the allegations. Last year, Indian authorities accused Nijjar of involvement in an alleged attack on a Hindu priest in India and announced a reward of about $16,000 for information leading to his arrest. Recently, Canadian police said Nijjar was shot as he was leaving the parking lot of the Sikh temple where he served as president in British Columbia. He suffered multiple gunshot wounds and died at the scene. Nearly a week after Nijjar's slaying, about 200 protesters from Canada's Sikh community gathered in front of the Indian consulate in Vancouver to demonstrate. Many of the protesters were convinced that Nijjar's killing was linked to his calls for an independent Sikh state. Thank you for watching the news. Everything in this news was created with the help of AI. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to support us.